video provides a clear, step-by-step technical demonstration of how to remove and replace the 1 psi pressure relief valve, PRV, on a Domino AX series industrial printer. Loosening the fasteners using a Torx head screwdriver to loosen 2 captive screws securing the PRV cap to the manifold. Wearing protective gloves, gently wiggle and pull the plastic cap upward. As the cap is removed, it brings with it a small tension spring and a plunger assembly. Once the assembly is out, the video shows a close-up of the internal manifold cavity, highlighting a small metal ball bearing seated at the bottom. Take the PRV assembly, plunger, spring, and cap, and carefully lowers it back into the manifold housing, ensuring it aligns correctly over the ball bearing. The cap is pressed down firmly until it sits flush against the manifold surface. Using the Torx screwdriver, tighten the 2 screws using alternating pattern to ensure even pressure and a proper seal.